So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about probates. Day in the life of a busy real estate agent. So today I am working with a client who has been in her house for 25 years, raised her kids there, raised her grandkids there, ready for a change. Unfortunately, she lost her spouse a couple years ago, and in doing our research prior to going over to talk about the house and the numbers and stuff, one of the things I noticed was that her spouse was still in the tax records. So I'm like, hey, did you take care of all this? She's like, yep. Talked to the mortgage company, tax authority, all this stuff, took care of this, that, and the other, insurance. I'm like, yeah. But turns out the property needs to be probated. And a lot of people didn't know that. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about probate. So probate is the process by which, in this particular scenario with the property, the process by which the surviving spouse gets full control, I'll call it, of the property. So when someone dies, when one of the spouses passes away, depending on how the deed reads, but most of them, the two jointly own the property legally. And so when one wants to sell, the other one has to also want to sell. Like, they have to also sign. So nobody could sell the house out from one another, let's say if they were both living. However, when someone passes away, because of the way the deed reads, this person has to be legally removed from the estate, the property. And that process is called probate. And so she didn't know that, unfortunately. No problem. We definitely can take care of it. Got her in touch with the attorney. That process can take 2 or 3 months. A lot of people don't realize that, but it's no big deal. We're full service at Luxury Living International. So we definitely help her, definitely got it taken care of. But I just wanted to educate people about this. The best scenario is for you to have a will when you're coupled up. You also can have your deed read that you own it jointly with rights of survivorship. That's another way that your deed can be categorized instead of just joint ownership, or joint tenants is what it's called. We got to go through that process. So not that big of a deal, kind in her mind, she's going to have her check in I don't know what else. We usually sell properties with 30, 35, 40 days, maybe max. But she technically can't get started really for about 2 months while this process is happening. But it's okay. We're full service. I got her connected to our amazing attorney who talked her through a quick phone call, told her everything she needed to do. She's going to meet with her next week, and we will take great care of her because that's what we do at Luxury Living International. I'm Erika Page. I have a partner. Her name is Tami Goodwin. We love helping people, solving problems. That's what we've been doing for over 20 years. It's what we do. So if you have a question about a property that you own and how the deed reads or what needs to happen for you to transfer it, call us. Let's do a consultation. That's exactly what I did with her today, and it was fantastic. All right, make sure you hit me up. You can direct message me, give me a call. I'd love to help.